Key principles of a low-carb diet. Introduction to low-carb diet. A low-carb diet focuses on reducing the intake of carbohydrates, which are the body's primary source of energy. This can lead to various health benefits, including weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and increased energy levels. Number 1. Reduce carb. Intake. Limit foods high in carbohydrates such as bread, pasta, rice, and sugary snacks. Number 2. Choose healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Number 3. Prioritize protein. Include lean protein sources like poultry, fish, eggs, and tofu to support muscle maintenance and satiety. Number 4. Eat non-starchy vegetables. Load up on leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and other low-carb vegetables for fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Number 5. Avoid sugary foods. Cut out or minimize sugary beverages, candies, and desserts to stabilize blood sugar levels. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.